My name is Lior Sabo. I'm the Chief System Architect from GPC. And today I'm going to present our thin client solutions. I didn't make a lot of slides in my presentation because most of it is going to have live demonstrations. But these are the highlights of what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so just to summarize what we've seen up till now, because we went quite fast about over a lot of things. We saw that we have a system that allows you to map thin clients into the existing Active Directory tree. We talked about delegation of control, which is based on the Windows permissions. We talked about how thin clients are being managed by Excalibur policies, which look and behave exactly like group policies. They just affect thin clients. And this brings me to the next thing I wanted to talk about, which is another management snap-in that we have, and we call it the Excalibur farm. And in general, the answer is yes. So any question you have, the answer is yes. I'm just kidding. So, just to summarize the highlights of the farm, as I said, it's quite similar to Active Directory sites and services. It allows you to map the physical structure of the company. You can create sites to represent branches. You can create IP scopes to map the IP addresses there. And you can specify different bandwidth rules according to the source of the client or the IP address range that the client comes from. Now, if we speak a little bit about concepts and logical stuff, the combination of these two interfaces that I've just introduced, the logical interface, which is the Active Directory and policy management, etc., together with the physical interface, which is the Excalibur farm that maps the network, these two interfaces together provide a very powerful thin client management system. These two interfaces are the components that give Excalibur Global its strength. These are the components that I believe made several large companies and banks, etc., to choose Excalibur Global. Because if you're looking at other solutions out there in the market for thin client management, no one is getting, to our opinion, closer or close to what we have to offer.